So this USDCAD analysis for Friday the 25th of May. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had price come down towards this 128.39, from which we have seen the bullish buy side momentum test the 129, trade all the way up towards that 129.20, had a brief pullback below the 129 all the way down towards the 128.80s, from which we have found support, and we are now seeing a break of that 129 level. So we had a few frequent tests of that level. Brief pullback, didn't see us travel all the way down towards the lower end of the trading range, down towards at 27.56. What we did see was we did have a shallower retracement. We did have this, we did appear to be trending upwards, having a series of higher lows. And what we have seen is we've posted a higher low. We've now seen a break of this 129, possibly a retest. If we do hold, or if we do see continuation beyond this 129 levels that we are looking at here to the upside, are moves up towards that 129.44, from which you could potentially find resistance. But if we do see prices progress beyond the 129.44, we're then looking for price head up towards that 130 major level marked out here in red, from which we could see resistance come back into the market, if not at the 129.44 level. Beyond 130, we have got the 130.50 marked out here on the charts, but 130 is a very strong level, so I'd expect that to be the far end of the range. If, however, we do fail to hold the 129, we're looking for a price movement back down towards that 128.39. Around that 128.39, we do have the 200 period moving average as well as the 400 period moving average, thus increasing the likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level. So we do have the 400 and 200 period moving averages, increasing the likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that 128.39. If we do to see price progression beyond, possibly a move down towards that 128, I'd expect to be the far end of the range here to the downside. And let's just have a brief look here at the daily chart. Let's just have a brief look here at the daily chart. So head over to the daily chart here. And on the daily chart of, just bear with me a second. On the daily chart of the USDCAD, we do have our, let's get the pen. So we do have our lows. We did have this consolidation above the 27.56. Now we've kind of found quite a bit of resistance around that 129. We have found quite a bit of resistance around that 129, and we do appear to be breaking above it with some strength at the moment. So if we can see a price progression, look to test our most recent highs, well, swing highs in around that 130. Price progression beyond which we're looking to test our highs of 2018 in around that 131 level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the USDCAD analysis. Thanks for watching.